Now our text here looks like just plain text, but that's because Font Awesome uses alternative characters in order to embed the icons in the font. So if we go back to the Font Awesome page and we go to the home page and we scroll down, we can hop over to the cheat sheet here to see what characters we should use in order to trigger the use of the icon. You remember how earlier we used a special HTML entity in order to use the copyright icon in our default font? Well, we can do the same thing in Font Awesome. So if we scroll down, we can pick any of these icons. Let's pick a kind of a goofy one here. We'll grab the bomb, since you, of course, are the bomb. And we'll go back to our editor, and we'll jump to our index.html file. And inside of our text here, let's just replace it with this entity. Let's go back to the browser, go back to our example and refresh. And sure enough, we have our bomb icon. Now again, one of the benefits to using an icon rather than an image is scalability. So let's select this element and let's change the font size here. We'll change the font size to 50 EMs. And when we did that, we now get this huge bomb, but the edges look nice and crisp. Let's drop this down to a reasonable size here. We'll do 10 EMs. And now another thing that we can do is change the color. So let's change it to purple. Okay, so we have a lot of flexibility here. We can change the color, we can change the size without losing any quality. And there's other things we can adjust. We can add a text shadow to it. Again, the way we do a text shadow is by doing vertical position, horizontal position, the blur, and then the color. So now we have a bomb with a drop shadow. So even though we're limited to using icons with a single color, we can do some pretty cool things with this.